there! I'm your holiday shopping helper, and I hear that you need some help finding the perfect gifts this holiday season. Well, you've come to the right place. I'm getting a ton of letters and phone calls asking for gift-giving advice. And as a gifting guru, I knew all the best presents that will definitely be a hit at your next holiday party. Come on, sounds like we have some mail to answer. Looks like we have a letter from Daniela. Dear holiday helper, I have 3 sisters to shop for and I don't know where to start. I want them to feel appreciated with something special, but I also don't want to break the bank. What should I do? Oh, Daniela, I know just the thing. The Satin Hands Pampering set comes in both fragrance-free and white tea and citrus. It's a 3-step spa-like treatment for hands, including a protecting softener, a scrub, and a hand cream. Plus, it comes packaged and ready to go in this cute little gift bag. This is such a great gift for someone who deserves extra pampering. I think your sisters are going to love these sets. Hello, Holiday Helper Gift Guide Hotline. How can I help you today?
Oh, hi, Holiday Helper. My name is Isabel, and I desperately need your help. My husband is impossible to shop for. I never know what to give him around the holidays. I want to give him something that he will actually use and enjoy. Got any advice?
Isabel, you are not alone. I think a lot of us have a hard time buying for the men in our lives. Let's check out the MK Men skincare regimen. It includes a daily facial wash, a shaving foam, an eye cream, and a moisturizer with SPF 30. It's something that he will use every day, and it's probably not something he would have bought for himself.
Yes, I love that idea. Thanks, Holiday Helper. You always give the best advice.
Happy to help. Hope you have a great holiday season, Isabel. I just love helping friends discover new gifts. Oh, we got a text message. Let's see who it's from. It says, Dear Holiday Helper, I need help finding stocking stuffers for my teenage daughter. She loves makeup and trying out new looks. What do you recommend? Katie. Katie, what a fun idea. Stocking stuffers are some of my favorite items to gift. And I think your daughter would love to dig into her stocking and find these cute Mary Kay Unlimited lip glosses. There are 14 fabulous shades from bold and bright to neutral and everyday. I also think she would love the Mary Kay Perfect palette. They come unfilled so she can create a makeup look that's just as unique as she is. The magnetic palette makes it easy to change out her favorite shades with her ever-changing looks. Or how about a clear proof The Go set? It's a great time to get your daughter started in a good skincare routine. And how cute are these minis? You know, I'm not the only holiday helper around here. Your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant can help with all of your gifting needs during this season. She's a great resource to help you pick the perfect giftables on everyone's wish list. Give her a call today and let her help with your holiday shopping. If you enjoyed this holiday shopping guide, check out these other festive favorites. I think you'll really like this one. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just click right here.